Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:17 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Jefferson, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukesha, Watertown, Pewaukee, Heartland, Jefferson, Delafield, Wales, Waukachi Lake, Oconomowoc, Ottawa, Merton, Johnson Creek, Dousman, Lac La Belle, Axonia, Rome, Ashevin, Nashotah, Waterville, and Sullivan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the new